Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can redeem the 26 millions token of the Cloud AI model for free. It's not only about the Cloud AI, you'll get the benefit with the 26 models. Okay, so we are going to use it for free without using any credit card. So first, simple disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose, so don't misuse of this video in an illegal act way. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, before start, you need to join our WhatsApp channel and subscribe our YouTube channel for more premium updates. Also, you can watch it that I have uploaded it. Okay, so simply you need to open. Uh, okay, I will share you this document in the description. Just open this document and copy the link of this website and just paste it into your Google Chrome. Okay, so first of all, let me show you I have successfully received the 26 million bonus of the tokens. Okay, so it's my official account where I have received it. Okay, it's and everything. Also, if I show you the models, so okay, let me show you the models. So we will use these models. Okay, 7 Gemini models and 4 Cloudy models here. Okay, so we can use this model 100% free. Okay, so as in front of you, you can see the quota, the usage of the token that it will use. So simply how you can redeem it, simply open this website and click on the sign in, click on the continue with Google, or you can use your own email, or you can go with any other uh, authentication ways. Okay, so click on the continue, verifying your account, setting your account, and just done. You are in. As in front of you, we have only 100k quota here. So how you can make it 26k. Okay, so you need to open this document here, and just copy this first coupon code from here, and now click on the redeem code. Here you'll find a tab. Okay, just paste this code here and click on the redeem now. That's it. Congratulations, we have 3 days of the quota now. Now just copy this coupon code from here to redeem the 26 million tokens. We have 26 million tokens. So if you click on the dashboard and refresh it, so it can take a while to refresh and update the tokens quota here. Okay, it will automatically fetch the tokens after a while. So simply how to use this one and a lot of other things. So simply just you will read all the instruction that I have pasted here. Okay, and just go ahead. You can do it if you are facing an issue. So you can comment on this video. Hope so you like this video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.